If Microsoft OneNote is not responding, stuck on starting, or refusing to open on Windows 11, this video will walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem without wasting time. OneNote issues can happen because of a frozen background process, a bad add-in, or a corrupted installation, so we'll go step by step and test the easiest solutions first. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows 11 fixes. Let's get started. First, press Ctrl, Shift and S on your keyboard to open Task Manager. This is the fastest way to check whether OneNote is already running in the background and causing the problem. Once Task Manager opens, stay on the Processes tab and look for Microsoft OneNote in the list. If you see it there, it may be frozen or stuck trying to launch. Right-click Microsoft OneNote and select End Task. This forces the app to close completely and clears out any hanging process that could be blocking it from opening properly. After ending the task, try launching OneNote again. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue. If OneNote still will not open or keeps failing to respond, move on to the next step. Now, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type OneNote Safe and then press Enter. This starts OneNote in safe mode, which loads the app with minimal features and disables add-ins that might be causing the crash or startup problem. If OneNote opens successfully in safe mode, that is a strong sign that one of the add-ins is the issue. If it opens, go to File, then Options, then Add-ins. From there, look through the add-ins you have installed and disable any recent ones or anything you do not recognize. Add-ins can sometimes interfere with OneNote's normal startup process, especially after an update. Once you've disabled them, close OneNote and open it normally again to test whether the problem is fixed. If OneNote still is not responding, the next thing to do is repair the app installation. Press Windows key and R again to open the Run box, then type appwiz.cpl and press Enter. This opens the Programs and Features window where you can manage installed software on your PC. In the list, search for Microsoft OneNote and Microsoft 365. Depending on how OneNote is installed on your computer, it may be part of the Microsoft 365 suite rather than a separate app. Once you find it, right-click it and choose Repair. If you are given a choice between Quick Repair and Online Repair, start with Quick Repair first because this is faster and often fixes common issues. If that does not work, go back and try Online Repair for a deeper fix. Repairing Microsoft 365 or OneNote can replace damaged files, reset broken components, and clear out problems that may be stopping the app from opening. After the repair finishes, restart your computer and try opening OneNote again. If your OneNote is still not working after that, one final thing to try is making sure Windows 11 and Microsoft 365 are fully up to date, because outdated software can sometimes cause launch problems. But in most cases, ending the task, opening in safe mode, disabling add-ins, and repairing the installation will solve the issue. So to recap, first end Microsoft OneNote in Task Manager, then test safe mode using OneNote Safe, disable any problematic add-ins, and finally repair Microsoft OneNote or Microsoft 365 through appwiz.cpl. These steps fix most OneNote not responding and not opening issues on Windows 11. If this guide helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more Windows troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.